Why is seawater salty? Earth's greatest mystery revealed: it's a giant salt factory. 1. The origin story: Earth's rocks are crying salty tears. The ocean's saltiness comes from weeping rocks, literally. Rainwater dissolves rocks, rain absorbs CO, becoming slightly acidic. Over millennia, this acid rain dissolves minerals like sodium, calcium, and potassium from rocks. Rivers deliver the salt. These minerals flow into rivers, which carry them to the ocean. Repeat this for 4.6 billion years and voila, every liter of seawater now holds 35 g of salt. Earth is a giant rock-dissolving salt delivery machine. 2. Volcanoes, the underground salt chefs. Volcanoes aren't just spewing lava, they're also secret salt suppliers. Underwater volcanoes and hydrothermal vents release chlorine gas, which reacts with seawater to form sodium chloride table salt. Even Earth's core adds flavor to the ocean. Our planet is a self-sustaining salt factory. 3. Why isn't the ocean even saltier? Spoiler: Earth recycles. If salt keeps pouring in, why isn't the ocean a salt desert? Marine life cleans up plankton and coral absorb calcium to build shells. When they die, their remains sink and form limestone, locking salt away. Salt gets buried. Tectonic plates drag salt-rich sediments deep underground, where they become rocks again. The ocean is Earth's ultimate recycling program. 4. Mind-blowing math. How much salt are we talking? If you dried all the ocean's salt and spread it over land, it'd form a layer 150 meters thick, taller than the Statue of Liberty. Total salt in the ocean: 5 quintillion tons. That's a 5 followed by 18 zeros. Earth's oceans hold enough salt to season every meal until the sun dies. 5. Shocking twist. The ocean is actually getting less salty. Today's seawater is 3.5% salt, but 500 million years ago it was twice as salty. Melting glaciers and polar ice dilute the ocean over time. The ocean's saltiness is a history book of Earth's climate. The grand finale: Earth's salt circus. Rain dissolves rocks, rivers deliver salt. Volcanoes add extra spice, underground seasoning. Marine life and tectonics recycle salt. No salt overload. Next time you swim in the ocean, remember you're floating in a 4.6 billion-year-old mineral soup. Bonus fun fact: the Dead Sea's salty superpower. The Dead Sea is 10x saltier than the ocean, 30% salt. Its density is so high you can float while reading a book because even water can't sink salt. The Dead Sea, where salt is the main character and humans are just extras.